I'm Edlin, Universal Language Instructor. Today I'm going to teach you about past tenses. On révisé forme qui puis commun dans le passé en anglais. Was avec were. Songez, nous utiliser was avec I, he, she, it. Et puis were avec you, we, they. Positive sentences. She was a housekeeper. They were mechanics. Negative sentences. She was not a housekeeper. They were not mechanics. Questions. Was she a housekeeper? Were they mechanics? Exemple avec réponse positive et négative. Were they the kitchen staff? Yes, they were. Yes, they were the kitchen staff. No, they were not. No, they weren't. No, they were not. They were the maintenance staff. Auxiliaire did. Pour parler des actions dans le passé, nous utilisons verbes réguliers et irréguliers. Verbes réguliers yo ajouté ed, exemple vacuum, vacuumed. Change, changed. Verbe irrégulier yo changé net. Get, got. Go, went. Positive sentences. We vacuumed yesterday. They got new light bulbs. Negative sentences. He did not vacuum. Didn't vacuum. They did not get new light bulbs. They didn't get new light bulbs. Question. Did she vacuum yesterday? Did they get new light bulbs? Songez, dans la question à forme négative, verbe principal là rete dans forme présent. Exemple, avec réponse positive et négative. Did you get the towels? Yes, I did. Yes, I got the towels. No, I did not. No, I didn't get the towels. Pratiquez conjuguer plus verbes, titres réguliers, titres irréguliers, pour faire plus facile pour songer. For more useful content like this, check out the other resources we offer you. Thank you for learning with us. See you till the next lesson.